The 2025 John Deere 10 is here, and it's set to redefine the compact tractor market, combining sleek, modern design with the classic John Deere green and yellow. This tractor is as stylish as it is functional, powered by a 24.7 horsepower Tier 4 compliant engine. It delivers impressive performance while being fuel efficient and environmentally friendly, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. From landscaping to light farm work, operator comfort is a top priority, with the fully adjustable seat, intuitive controls, and a digital display that keeps all key information easily accessible. In action, the John Deere 10 truly shines. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth and precise operation, while its 4WD capability tackles tough terrains with ease. It's also incredibly versatile, compatible with a range of attachments such as loaders, mowers, and more, making it adaptable to various needs. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to easy access service points, allowing users to spend less time on upkeep and more time getting the job done. Overall, the 2025 John Deere 10 is a reliable and efficient choice for small-scale farmers, property owners, and anyone needing a dependable tractor. With its combination of advanced features, durability, and versatility, it lives up to John Deere's reputation for excellence. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of the latest equipment.